this video I'm going to stay in this hotel, the Prestige Hotel. It's just right in front of the jetty. It's a very cool area which is you can explore a lot of the heritage place in my hometown, Penang. So this video I'm going to share with you that the stay experience, the rooms, the facility, and then some of the maybe the breakfast and then the room. How about the check-in? It's okay, I can help myself. Okay. So the check-in right over here, the door is like quite weird. It's not on the front door, you have to go from the side door to check in right over here. And here's the lobby. Check-in is a little bit slow, takes some time. And then I'm going to the room now. There will be a welcome gift, which is drinks. You can have it clean right over here. The lunch looks good though. I was going to check out the lunch if possible. And also will show you the breakfast. During the check-in, the staff actually told me that I got an upgraded to a suite, but when I came inside to this room, it just looks like a premium deluxe to me. No, it's just a deluxe room, executive deluxe room. So I'm going to give you a room tour now. Very cool design, I would say. So upon you come inside over here, okay, so my room is 409, just right beside this the lift, and you get this at the door side. I like this is that you can have this drinking water, filtered water right over here, provided by the 3M company, which is a good one. Then you have this lotion. Let me have a smell. Quite citrusy, it's quite nice. And this box are quite cute though. So there's a comb, there's a shaving kit, there's a vanity kit, I'm sure there's toothbrush, and sanitary kit, shower cap. Then this brand is called Botanical hand wash. I've never seen that before. And the weighing scale right over here. And this is a shower room. It's quite cool. So push to go in. If you did not cover up the curtain, then you can have the shower show. So same thing, get the body wash, hair conditioner and shampoo, handheld shower and a rain shower. So let's go to the toilet. It's a very spacious toilet with a bidet right over here. Extra toilet paper roll, and lots of banana prints. Then here come to the bedroom. So at the bedside you have the universal power plug, telephone, and all the switches, the TV, blah blah blah. Quite clear for the indication. Then at this bedside, you also get all the switches, international power plug, remote control. I like it. There's a USB port and the alarm clock. Then here the power plug and then the 3-pin plug. The view is boring right over here. Nothing much. The window is locked, so I cannot open to get the fresh air. So it's a non-smoking hotel, so maybe they prevent the people not to smoke here. Timeless bike. Oh, so these are the old school snack. This one can be quite horrible. It's called lemon something, lemon candy. It's quite scary. Oh, hex! This is very spicy. Watch out when you eat it. Then here is a very stable shelf. You can put all your stuff on that, but you can't put, sorry. So yeah, you can just do kinky thing if you want. Then the bathrobe looks good, quite nice. Espresso machine with 4 capsule and 2 TWG Earl Grey and chamomile. Power plug here, and then here's the hair dryer and emergency torch. I think let me try whether it's powerful or not. Give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, looks quite powerful. Then the cups, the kettle. Now what is this? Oh, the bedroom slipper. It's quite fluffy. Then the garment steamer. Wow, that's cool. So you can hang there and steam your clothing. And the magazine direction, the location for direction for you to for the Muslim friend to prayer. And I like this thing though, it's like you know that where you complimentary refreshment. Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wow. It's free. Wow. I am impressed. Wow, I'm happy with this. And the safe is huge one. Then this is where the place you can place your luggage and a power plug. And when I came inside, it's set to 16 degrees, freezing cold. So yeah, I'm going to show you the gym and the swimming pool in a bit after the 360 video and the big test. Sorry, come back again. Need to show you something on the TV. There's a pillow menu. It's quite cool. A memory foam pillow, microfiber, all this. Then another cool thing that they have is that they have a free movie on demand. So you can watch the movie for free, which is quite cool. Then entertainment, what is that for? Oh, you get the screen mirror. I think this is usually work on the Android phone, I guess. Yeah, I hate that. Sometimes have this issue when how I go out. Okay, never mind. Let me turn it off first. So yeah, I will do the bed test and then 360 and then the gym and the swimming pool. It's time to test the bed. It's a rough one. The blanket. The bed sheet is a soft one. Oh, it looks like a bed that I would love. It's a soft, a little bit soft near to firm bed. Okay, so you see when I bounce, the pillow doesn't really bounce. So let's see the pillow. Okay, this is a pillow that I quite like, not that firm. Okay. Both of the pillows are the same, so yeah, I think I'll have a good sleep over here. A little bit tired. Pretty small gym, but the temperature is like acceptable. It's not too cold, and at least at this machine that I can do a lot of workout that I need. Basically more on cardio, for you to burn more cardio. And drinking water bottle over here, the towel, wet wipe, first aid kit and telephone right over here. Yeah, quite a safe gym, but it's just a little bit too small. Okay, so the swimming pool is right over here. It is super sunny today. So if in case that you love the sunny suntan, this is a perfect place for you to get your skin roasted. I can see actually the view here is not too bad, but the water is quite clean. Yeah, if you need to get a tan skin, burn out your skin to look nicer, here's a perfect place. And the view here is not too bad. So tomorrow I'm going to take the ferry from that side across to the Butterworth and take the train up to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, I would love to come here and soak out a little bit later. So the pool tower is here, and the swimming pool open from 7 to 8 in the morning, 7 morning in the 8 evening. Is that sad? I think it would be cool that if they open the swimming pool until late evening, so you can catch a beautiful night view over here. I had a very good sleep, super quiet. The bed is very comfortable, the blanket just nice. I set the temperature to 26 and I had my fan, humidifier, just nice. Don't hear any noise at all. I'm quite happy with the soundproof. Okay, I am not platinum guests are not entitled to have the breakfast. I'm going to see how the breakfast looks like, and then if this breakfast is good, then I'll have the breakfast there. If the breakfast is not that what I like, then I'll go to have nasi lemak somewhere around here. I saw a Michelin star nasi lemak is only 3 ringgit. So let's go to have breakfast now. Here's a buffet. 37. It looks quite good though. Nasi lemak. Oh. Okay. I think I'll skip it. Not really vote for the 37. Just done the checkout, and then this stay is just average stay. I would not think that if you really want to explore Penang, because there will be a Marriott Penang, is just like 10 minutes drive away. Unless you really want to stay in this kind of the heritage building, then you stay here. It's quite accessible for many old Penang. But if you need hotel with better facility, I don't think this is a good one, because the pool is small, the gym is small, there's no lounge. The benefits from the Marriott Bonvoy is not really that good. The only best thing about this one is it's near to the jetty. I can just drag my luggage and then cross the road by walking for like less than 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, so this is my stay review about this Prestige Hotel. Staff are not really professional. From my experience with the check-in, it takes super long. And the price is quite high. I don't think that is reasonable for the stay here. And now what I need to do is I just drag my luggage. Cross the road, there will be the jetty right over there. So with that, I hope you like this video. Goodbye.